Good evening. Today I'm going to present to you about the design and implementation of a
of dual-node IoT communication system using ESP-Now and Wi-Fi.
This project focuses on developing an efficient, real-time monitoring system using ESP32 modules. Let's dive into the details of our proposal.
This is the team members, Manafat Aulia Lananggali, Muhammad Daryl Renditio, and I am Muhammad Ryan Cendergi Proton, Naufal Bagas Ginefriadi, and Fadel Putra Azauri.
Now, for the introduction, in this project, we integrate ESP-Now for low latency communication and Wi-Fi with the Blink platform for cloud monitoring. Using a DHT22 sensor, we can track temperature in real time, ensuring efficient and reliable data collection. Our goal is to create a seamless IoT system that combines local and cloud-based communication.
The objectives of our project is: first, develop a wireless sensor network with 2 ESP modules. Second, implement ESP-Now for efficient, low-powering communication. 3. Use Wi-Fi and Blink for remote monitoring. 4. Evaluate ESP-Now's reliability and latency. 5. Monitor environmental data using the DHT22 sensor. 6. Apply computer networking principles in IoT systems.
Next, we have theoretical background. The IoT connect physical device through sensor and wireless network to enable real-time data exchange. This project utilized ESP32, a microcontroller with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, along with ESP-Now, which is a low-latency communication protocol. The DHT22 sensor collects temperature and humidity data, which is transmitted between nodes and displayed using the Blink cloud platform for remote access. These technologies make our system efficient for IoT-based environmental monitoring.
To develop our system, we follow this methodology. Number 1, the system design. We use 2 ESP32 modules, one as a sensor node and the other one as a gateway node. For the data collection, we use sensor node connected to a DHT22 sensor to collect temperature and humidity data. The communication protocol, which is the ESP-Now, enables peer-to-peer low latency communication between the ESP modules. Then the cloud integration, which is applied by the gateway node, transmits the data to the Blink cloud using Wi-Fi for remote monitoring. The performance evaluation, we assess the system efficiency, latency, and also reliability. And development tools, we utilize the Arduino IDE for programming, a Wi-Fi router for the internet connectivity, and finally jumper wires for hardware connections. Now, for the implementation, we configure the hardware is a 2 ESP32 modules, a DHT22 sensor, jumper wires, and a Wi-Fi router and its signal. Now, for the software, as I have mentioned before, we use the Arduino IDE for programming, and also we include the ESP-Now function on the code. After setting up the hardware and the software, we conduct tests to measure transmission efficiency, network latency, and cloud reliability. The final system allows real-time data updates on the Blink mobile app. Now, to stay on track, we follow a structured timeline for project execution.
Our project follows the schedule. The project proposal was completed on March 15. The proposal presentation was conducted between March 20 and 25. Project execution took place from March 30 to April 5. Midterm monitoring happened on April 10. And the final report and presentation will be completed by April 15.
For this project, we estimate costs based on hardware components, software tools, and testing resources. The major expenses include ESP32 modules, the DHT22 sensor, and cloud integration tools. Our budget planning ensures that the project remains cost-effective while maintaining high performance. Okay, we have come to a conclusion. In our conclusion, the project aims to develop a dual-node IoT monitoring system that utilizes ESP-Now for fast, low-power communication and Wi-Fi for cloud-based monitoring via Blink app. Through this implementation, we enhance environmental monitoring efficiency and apply key networking principles in IoT systems. Thank you for your attention. We are happy to take any questions.